In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Steam on your computer. So Steam Games is a store that allows you to get access to several games for free and paid for games. So to get Steam on your computer, all you need to do is to go ahead and just search for Steam, just like that. And then it will take you to this website, store.steampower.com. Go ahead and click on it. And this will take you to Steam Store. To download and install Steam, go ahead and choose this option called Install Steam. From here, you can see this will pick up your operating system automatically. Currently, I'm on Windows, and therefore I'll click Install Steam on Windows. You can see the icon here. So I'll choose this, and this will proceed and download Steam on my computer. And here it is. Once the download is done, now you can go ahead and open under downloads. You can see we have Steam setup. Go ahead and install it by just double clicking on it to run this setup, and then from here just click on next. Choose your language here. My preferred language is English, so I'll click on next, and then choose the destination folder where you want to install. I just leave it as it is, and then the installation will begin. And here we go, it is done. Now you can check on run to open automatically, and you can finalize by just clicking on finish. Now if you check here, you can see we have a shortcut for Steam on your computer. Now this will proceed and update Steam, and you can see the download update is on. So be patient as the update and extraction of the package is done. And now once done, you can proceed and click on your Steam app using this shortcut to launch it. Now at this point, you can proceed and sign in with your username and password. And if you don't have an account, choose this option called create a free account. So if I click on it, I'll proceed here by entering my email, then my password, and then I'll have to confirm it. Choose your country, confirm that you're a human, and then check that you are at least 13 years and above of age, and then continue. Now you can see, in case your email address does not match, you'll get this. You won't be able to proceed. You have to check for your emails. So you can see I have omitted one data here, so I'll go ahead and correct it. And now you can see the verification process is on. At this point, you have to go ahead and check your email to verify. Now here I'll proceed to my email, and then go ahead and verify your email by just tapping on verify email here. And just by doing that, your email has been verified. From here, you can safely close this window and then go back to your account. At this point, go ahead and create your account and then choose your password. We are told here, please enter an account name that is at least 3 characters long and uses only A to Z, 0 to 9 or character. And now a new account has been created. And the secret you have to master is your username or your account name should be written as one word, so there is no spaces that should be left. From here now you can continue, and now just log in once you are done. So I'll go ahead and log in. So you have to sign in with your name. You will receive another code on your email. Go ahead and enter the code. And now this is the final stage we are in. And look at that. Here now we have an access to a bunch or a very big list of games that you can now start playing on this platform. So that's how you can download and set up your Steam account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.